Anytime now. Away they go. Kay Aquino from the outside. Final judgment. Jaden Diamond, Saint-Tropez. Musashi Supercharged, Royal Fair. Saint-Tropez followed by Jaden Diamond in second. Final judgment, running in third, running in fourth alongside is Royal Fair. Supercharged in between runners Musashi. Under further outside is Andorra, Kay Aquino, Rampage, Escapo, and yes, Papa is running at the tail of the field. Saint-Tropez by Hapoland, Jaden Diamond, and here comes Royal Fair. Final judgment, Andorra, Kay Aquino is running 6 by Darrell, and rounding the far turn, Saint-Tropez, Jaden Diamond, Royal Fair. Final judgments running by Darrell. Kay Aquino also rushing up as they race the final corner. Saint-Tropez, Jaden Diamond, Royal Fair on the further outside. In between runners, Kay Aquino, and final judgment, Saint-Tropez, Kay Aquino, Royal Fair on the further outside. Kay Aquino, Royal Fair on the outside. Royal Fair, Kay Aquino, Saint-Tropez. Yes, Papa! Kay Aquino, Royal Fair, and final is going to be close between Kay Aquino, Royal Fair, then comes Saint-Tropez. Yes, Papa, Jaden Diamond, Musashi.